Want smooth flawless skin in Photoshop fast? Let me show you a beginner friendly trick that looks pro and takes under a minute. So let's get started. First open your photo in Photoshop, then use the remove tool or any healing brush tool to gently clean up any prominent visible acne, blemishes or pimples. I'm using the remove tool because it's super easy to use. Just click on a pimple or blemish and Photoshop will literally vanish the spot for you. I have set the mode to auto and enabled remove after each selection. This gives you a clean base before applying skin smoothing effect. Now duplicate the layer by pressing Command and J or Ctrl and J on Windows. Then right click and choose Convert to Smart Object so you can edit the filters later if needed. Now press Command and I or Ctrl and I to invert the layer. Yes, it will look strange for a second. Now set the blend mode to Vivid Light. And then go to Filter, Other, High Pass. And slowly increase the radius until the skin tones start to even out. Stop before you see any extreme halos or weird color shifts. And then hit OK when you are happy. Next go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur radius until the skin looks smooth but still natural. I think it looks fine. And now hit OK. And now the final step. Press and hold Alt or Option key and click the mask icon to add a black mask, hiding the effect. Now grab the brush tool. You can press B for it, choose a soft round brush and you can reduce the opacity if you want and set the foreground color to white and gently brush over the cheeks, forehead and skin areas. But avoid the eyes, eyebrows, lips and hairlines. You can reduce the layer opacity for a more subtle look, and since we used a smart object, double-clicking the filters lets you fine-tune anytime. Here is the before and after, clean and smooth. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.